In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Snapchat put options in Canada, ticker symbol SNAP here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, on this main screen here, go to the bottom left and sort of second from the left, press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're here for simplicity's sake, go to the top search bar, press on search and type in ticker symbol SNAP for Snapchat. So as you can tell, Snap in Class A with the purple options button. We're going to go ahead and press on that. Then we're going to go ahead to the bottom and press on buy and then press on options. Now, if you wanted to buy some Snapchat put options here, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is at the top here where it says, I believe that Snap will rise by, go ahead and press on rise. Change that to where it says put at the bottom. So by pressing on put option, it should now say Snapchat will fall by. And if you want to change the expiry date, so go ahead and just press on the date right here. You can change it to whatever date you wish to have these options expire on. So if you wanted to go in the money, there's a bunch of different options above of in the money. If you want to go out of the money, a bunch of different options below of out of the money. So for simplicity's sake and for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and select the strike price of $7 USD out of the money. And if you wanted to confirm this purchase of an option, of a put option for Snapchat, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Snapchat put options here in Canada, ticker symbol SNAP. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.